Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and I'm inviting you to subscribe on my channel and also hit the bell notification button so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So lately, I've been talking to people online, and the best topic that we have always is about food. There's no best topic compared to food when you talk to people from all around the world. And today, I spoke people from Africa, and I asked them what's their favorite food. And this one is like very exciting actually because this is so new to me. I never heard about it, and it's about like a stiff porridge. I never heard about a stiff porridge because for me porridge is like rice with a lot of water, and I'm so intrigued what is this about. So for now, since I don't have the ingredients because maybe of the pandemic, there is no export import of corn flour, so I'm just gonna watch the video and learn the recipe. So I'm inviting you guys to like watch it with me and learn together with me. So without any further ado, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. I like this.
Welcome everyone, my name is Alice. If you're new to this channel, you're warmly welcome. We talk about general lifestyle between Tanzania and Norway. Welcome to subscribe if you're interested to these kinds of lifestyles. Today I'm going to show you how to make ugali. So ugali is a type of flour porridge, very popular in Africa. If you have tried and learn about how to make ugali in different countries, you'll see that they make it in different ways. Others use different kinds of flour, others make it in different consistency. So with this I mean run it to very hard consistency. In Tanzania, where I come from, we make ugali with maize flour. Some few people like to use salt in it. So myself, I use just simply water and maize flour. Ugali can be eaten with meat sauce, beans or sour milk. So in this presentation today, I will make ugali with beef sauce together with spinach. Welcome to see my ingredients.
She's so soft-spoken.
These are all my ingredients that I'm going to use for this meal. There's maize flour and ingredients for the meat sauce. So for the meat sauce, I'm just going to show a little bit on how I made it. I just fry my meat, and then I mixed all the tomatoes and carrots and peppers together to make it cook.
Oh, it's just
and
like
then
a stew. Okay.
Later I put my spinach. This spinach doesn't take so long to cook, so I just add it at the end.
I think I have the idea of how this stew is cooked.
So
okay,
with ugali, the best thing I always do is to make porridge in the beginning. So warm your water. It doesn't need to boil, just a bit warm, and then put a bit of flour to make thin porridge. So with this process, it helps to mix your ugali very well later. Other people prefer to just boil water and then mix their flour in the boiling water, but it's very hard to mix it until it's well mixed. So if you try to make the porridge first, it goes very easy. So mix your porridge and then let it cook. You can put the cover on and let it boil for
just let
almost for 3 minutes.
Okay.
So when you think that it's done, you can just start adding flour bit by bit. And now it depends on you. If you want your ugali to be very hard, just add more flour. when after you add a bit of flour, just taste to see how it feels. But for me, I think I like my ugali to be not too hard. So now if I think that the flour is enough, I just start mixing. So here is the tricky part. You just need to try to mix your ugali very well.
Yeah. Make sure that
When you
everything
start
is
with
evenly
porridge, it's
cooked.
very easy. You can see my ugali is already very well mixed, and it doesn't have these lumps
Yeah.
of uncooked flour.
I'm hungry.
When you mix it for a while, 3-4 minutes, you can just make it flat on top, so you let it cook. So the maximum time for making ugali like this is just 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So after a few minutes, you just open the pot and then start mixing again. And now you can see I'm trying to see if my ugali is cooked. So I will try to hold it on my spoon, and if it doesn't hold, then it's done.
Oh.
If the ugali doesn't hold on your pot, then it's also done. So I'm just trying to mix it for the last time before I start saving it on the plates. Oh, you can see it doesn't stick at all.
I'm always like so fascinated.
So now
I'm
you
not really
can-
talking a
you
lot
can
because
just put it
I'm
on
really
your plates,
concentrating.
ready to eat. So guys, ugali is very, very easy food to make. For those guys who have traveled to Africa and they've tasted and like it, you can just easily make it here in Norway or anywhere else. There you go, my food is ready. It's very delicious.
I think the most time consuming here is the beef stew because you need to make it ahead
If you're new to
because
this
you need to
channel
make it tender.
and you want to try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what you think. Until next time, bye.
Definitely, I really can't wait to taste it. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to like cook it, to have a taste of it. Like, it's very, it's very tasty looking dish, the finished product as what we watched in the video. It may be a little laborious and time consuming, but I know that the taste will be worth it. I know, home cook actually like takes time, but that is the most delicious, and you're cooking your food and it's more like safe, especially in this time. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you give this a times a like. Okay, just I hope you give this a like and also share, and I can't wait, really. I can't wait. Can somebody send me a corn flour? Not cornstarch. Cornstarch is different from corn flour. Can somebody send me a bag of corn flour, please? Thank you. See you next time.